You won't believe how much this book has made in passive income. In this video, you are going to learn how to create a passive income stream with ChatGPT. People are making giant amounts of passive income with this method only by selling books fully made by ChatGPT. I will give you a step-by-step guide so you can easily start doing this by yourself. From writing an entire adult nonfiction book to transforming it into an audiobook for sale on Amazon. I'm spilling all my secrets on making money without lifting a finger. So if you're interested in generating cash without breaking a sweat, don't miss out on this one. I was searching the internet when I found this book, and as you can see, this book has 15,833 ratings. If we multiply that by $9.85, we see that this book has made more than $151,000. And this number goes up every day, with the salesman doing nothing but collecting his money. I didn't stop there and kept searching, but then I found this book. I checked the ratings and multiplied that by the selling prices, and I found out that this book alone has made more than $1 million in passive income. Well, I'm not joking. This is what the ratings say. I know these amounts are crazy and hard to reach, but if you follow the steps I'm giving you in this video, you can easily create a good-selling book which will make you big amounts of money. So, in the beginning of my story, I was just like you now. I was amazed by the numbers of money these books had made and thought about why not start the same business. But the question was, how? Luckily, I knew about ChatGPT as the most powerful AI. I also knew this system was able to do anything. Literally anything. Well, this opened my mind and eyes to a very bright future, and I could not wait anymore. Thus, I jumped straight into the chatbot. I already had some sort of idea in my mind, but I anyway asked the chatbot to give me some ideas for writing a self-help book. This is what I received in the reply. Well, this is not all. If you don't like this idea, the chatbot is ready to give you other multiple book ideas, all different and better from one another. I liked the first idea anyway, so I did not ask the chatbot again and continued going forward. Well, now that we have an idea at my disposal, the only thing I was missing was the content. But I could not have developed the content without a good outline. So I headed to the chatbot once again and asked for help. After putting my command into it, this is what it gave me back. This is surely one great outline for a book. And again, if you don't like this outline, the chatbot is always ready to give you plenty of other detailed outlines. I really liked the outline generated and went forward with it. So I had a title and outline by now, but what I still needed was content. Now that we have come so far, I believe you know I could not have continued without the chatbot. I revisited my good friend, and it began writing the content again, following the outline I had been provided with earlier. In the outlines, the first chapter was the introduction. So I asked ChatGPT to write me a good introduction for the title. This is the result it gave me. Well, this is not all. I needed a long introduction that could have fit the book description, and what it gave me was a bit too short. So this time I was supposed to give a different command because the chatbot produced the same length again and again. So I copied a part of the introduction and asked it to expand my intro, and this is what it gave me. There are a number of commands that one can apply to expand, autocomplete, or write a paragraph on any part of the text. As a writer, you always have the command to ask the chatbot anything, and it will obey the orders in the most brilliant ways. After playing around with the chatbot for a while and trying multiple commands into it, I finally completed writing the introduction for the book, and it looked like this. Repeating the same process again and again, I was able to write all the chapters one by one. This took me half an hour. After I have all the content with me, the next step was to copy all the content on MS Word files in order to make them suitable for the KDP edition of books on Amazon. So I visited this webpage and learned about the whole format, requirements, and other important information that I needed for formatting the book. After formatting the fonts and size of the paper, the next step that awaited me was making an excellent cover for it. I could have hired someone who could have created the cover for me, but I had something else in mind. We had two options. The first option was Canva. Here you can create pictures, pictograms, and covers very easily all by yourself, like I did with the cover. I created this cover in under 5 minutes. The second option is midjourneyai, an AI bot which can create pictures and drawings for free, only with you telling it what to draw or make. Now, for me, illustrations won't be necessary. But if you want to add illustrations in your book, you could easily do that like this. You first need to join their Discord group. After you've done that, you can type /imagine, and then you write what you want it to draw, and it will give you the best pictures that you want. It's very easy. Now I had my cover done. I also needed an excellent description for my book because that's the only part visible to potential buyers on Amazon. This time, I again went to the chatbot for some help. I gave the command for the book description, and to my surprise, the chatbot wrote this brilliant description. Wow! Well, the story doesn't end here. Kindle audiobooks are very much likable in the market. So after I was done with everything and created a wonderful self-help book, the next thing I did was to search for a voiceover for my book. After a thorough search, I found voicebooking.com, a website that had a number of free voices available in different accents and languages. So I copied and pasted the content from my book and, after finding the most suitable accent and voice for the book, started creating the audiobook. Within seconds, I created a wonderful audiobook that I could sell on Amazon. And it sounded like this.
Welcome to Mastering Your Mindset, a guide to overcoming self-doubt and achieving success. Have you ever felt like you're stuck in a negative thought?
Pretty good, right? And that saves me at least $100 to have the book narrated, maybe even more. So now that I was done with the book, the next step that awaited me was uploading the book on Amazon and starting earning. So I went to Amazon KDP Bookshelf. After hitting the Create button, it gave me a number of choices. I wanted to create an ebook, and after filling out all the required details, I published the book over Amazon KDP in just a few minutes. With ChatGPT, I started my own business of selling books online in all three formats, Kindle, audiobook, and hardcover at the same time. So why wait? You can also start this business only from the comfort of your own home. We saw that writing books is really simple when you have the ChatGPT at your fingertips. With it, you can advertise, promote, and literally do anything to start earning passive income. To sum up the whole video, writing books with ChatGPT and selling them on Amazon can be a great way to generate passive income. ChatGPT is a powerful platform that allows users to create content quickly and easily. Through this platform, you can write books quickly and efficiently with the help of AI-powered software. Once you have completed the book and everything is done, you can publish it on Amazon and market it through various channels, such as social media, to reach a wide audience. With its easy-to-use platform, books can be sold quickly and easily, yielding a steady passive income. With ChatGPT, would-be authors can make their dream of writing and selling books come true. You can create blogs, books, essays, or almost anything with it. So starting with ChatGPT could make you one step closer to the bright future that lay ahead of you. Here is a quick recap of everything you need to do. First, generate a good book idea with ChatGPT. Then, second, create an outline for your book, and after that, create all the chapters. Step number 3, create a book cover using Canva, and if you like, you could make some illustrations using midjourneyai. Step number 4, write the book description with ChatGPT and eventually create the audiobook. Step number 5, publish your book and audiobook on Amazon. And at least like this video and subscribe to my channel. And if this video helped you, share it with your friends. And comment down below if you're going to use this info. I promise, if you smash that like button, your screen won't break. And if it does, I am ready to pay. Also, don't forget to press the bell icon and subscribe to Income Booster for more future money-making videos like this. If you like money, comment in the section below and connect to get a head start on your millionaire journey. See you again.